What is the main function of red blood cells? Oxygen transport. The heart is primarily composed of which type of muscle? Cardiac. How many chambers are there in the human heart? Four. Which artery carries deoxygenated blood? Pulmonary artery. The largest artery in the body is the aorta. Where does gas exchange primarily occur in the lungs? Alveoli. What is the main muscle involved in breathing? Diaphragm. Which gas is exhaled as a waste product of respiration? Carbon dioxide. What structure prevents food from entering the trachea? Epiglottis. The right lung has how many lobes? Three. What is the structural unit of the kidney? Nephron. The longest bone in the human body is the femur. Which bone protects the brain? Skull. How many ribs are in the human rib cage? "24". What type of joint is found in the shoulder? Ball and socket. Which bone is also known as the collarbone? Clavicle. The femur is located in the leg. Which mineral is most important for bone health? Calcium. What is the primary function of ligaments? Connect bones. Where is the patella located? Knee. The control center of the cell is the nucleus. Which cell structure produces energy? Mitochondria. What is the fluid part of blood called? Plasma. Which cells help with clotting? Platelets. Which type of blood vessel carries blood to the heart? Veins. What is the primary function of white blood cells? Immune defense. The nervous system is divided into the central and peripheral. The basic unit of the nervous system is the neuron. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum. The spinal cord is part of the central nervous system. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? Optic. Which gland is known as the master gland? Pituitary. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin. Adrenaline is produced by the adrenal gland. Which organ filters blood to produce urine? Kidneys. Where is bile stored? Gallbladder. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. The small intestine primarily absorbs carbohydrates. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying chemicals? Liver. Which part of the eye detects light? Retina. The colored part of the eye is the iris. Which organ contains the largest number of sweat glands? Skin. Which layer of the skin contains blood vessels and nerves? Dermis. Sweat glands are located primarily in the dermis. The top layer of skin is known as epidermis. the hair and nails are primarily made of keratin. What is the basic structural unit of life? Cell. Which organ system is responsible for producing movement? Muscular. The average human body has how many bones? (206). What is the main function of platelets? Clot blood. The main component of the skeletal system is bone,